In this video, I will show you how to create a custom wedding menu in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by searching for wedding menu in the template library to see all the available designs. After scrolling through the options, I'll select this minimalist floral template. I'll check the print details, select the standard paper option, and click Customize this template to open the editor. Once the editor loads, I'll start by clicking on the names at the top and changing them to Stella and Paul. I want a different look for the artwork, so I'll delete the existing floral illustration and head over to the Elements tab. I'll search for flower line art and browse the graphics until I find one that fits the aesthetic. I'll select this delicate branch, then use the flip tool to rotate it vertically so it frames the side of the page. Now, I'll spend a moment nudging the wedding and menu text to make sure everything is perfectly centered and balanced with the new graphic. With the layout set, I'll start updating the menu items. I'll highlight the starter section and type in the description for the wild mushroom and truffle arancini. Next, I'll move down to the main course and replace the placeholder text with the details for the herb-crusted sea bass. I'll make sure the text boxes are aligned and the font size looks consistent. For the final course, I'll update the dessert section to feature a dark chocolate and salted caramel tart. After reviewing the text, I'll do some final formatting by centering the text blocks and adjusting the vertical line. To finish the design, I'll swap out the side illustration for a smaller floral accent in the top left corner to give the header a bit more breathing room. Now the menu looks polished and professional. Thanks for watching.